tell me what you want to do today. Yeah? Well, we can do some of that. You wanted to take a walk with Ilsa? Yeah? Okay. You want to go to this? Sure, go ahead. Okay, we can go to the store and get some cashews. Oh. Okay. You just wanted to go out and enjoy the 75-degree weather? Yeah? You're already looking out. Oh, that's good turning.